this video, I'd like to cover how to use the custom data feature of Equinix Metal to customize an ESXi instance's configuration at deployment time. I've created a GitHub repo with documentation and an example of properly formatted custom data JSON content that you can use as a guide for your own deployments. A link to this repo can be found in the video description. Today, the ESXCLi commands in the custom data entry all live on a single line. This is somewhat difficult to read or edit. The GitHub repo describes how to use the find and replace function of some common text editors to convert this single line to multiple lines for ease of editing. The repo also includes examples of how to return the edited lines back to a single line for use with Metal deployments. Additionally, the repo describes how to generate a hashed password for ESXi and add this to the custom data as well. Once you've created your desired ESXi configuration script, returned the ESXCLi commands to a single line with proper formatting, and added your desired hash password, using this content in an ESXi deployment on Metal is straightforward. Simply start by following the standard workflow to deploy a system from the Metal console. Here, I'll deploy an on-demand system in the Dallas Metro. I'll select the M3.large plan type, the VMware VCF ESXi 7.0 operating system, and I'll specify the host name that I included in my ESXCLi commands. Next, I will expand the optional settings section, select the custom data entry, and paste my JSON content where indicated. Finally, I'll click the Deploy Now button to kick off the deployment. To expedite this demo, I deployed a system earlier using the same JSON content and hostname. We'll explore that system now. Once the deployment of the instance is complete, I'll next assign the VLANs I configured for ESXi management with my script, and then access the system via the Metal SOS out-of-band console and the ESXi host web UI to confirm the customization worked as expected. First, in the Metal SOS out-of-band console, you can see the IP address I specified for the VMK management port. Next, you can log in to the ESXi host web UI with the root password specified in the JSON content. From here, you can see the specified FQDN, NTP server, DNS server, domain name, and search domains, as well as the vSwitch 0 port group and VM kernel NIC modifications I specified. That concludes this demo of how to use the Metal custom data feature to customize an ESXi instance at deployment time. Thanks for watching.